All right, welcome to bnotes. I'm going to do a demo today that shows everyone how to create a channel, add team members to a channel, and then collaborate within a note. So let's go ahead and get started. You'll notice that I have two different screens. This is in Safari, this is in Chrome. This is user 2, this is user 1. And from user 1, I'm going to create a channel. We'll call this channel marketing. And we will add user 2 to this channel. Alright, so now the channel is created. You'll see that user 2's icon is inside the channel. And if I go back to this screen and refresh, you'll see that the marketing channel appears and that there are no notes inside the channel. So from user 2, I'm going to create a test note. We'll call this attribution Q3 2018. And then we will give it a tag, let's say advertising. We'll create some formatting just to show you how that works. Save the note. And then if we want to make it available inside the channel so that the other person can see, click on Share, Publish to Channel, Marketing, and then you can decide if you want them to view or edit. And then you publish it to the channel. So now it's inside the marketing channel. So if I go over to this screen, you'll see that a new note has been added. And if I click on this and start editing, you'll see inside here that user 1 is currently editing. So you don't have the edit option. So you can see that in real time. Let's add another tag. Update. All right, so now you will see marketing. Go ahead and refresh. And you'll see advertising Facebook. If there are more notes in here, you could filter by these tags. Click on your notes, and you'll notice because you created this note will show up inside of your notes, whereas this user did not create the note, so that note will not show up in your notes. All right, thank you for using bnotes. If you have any questions, feel free to email hello@bnotes.co.